Hello on time gang, welcome back to another beauty tutorial from me. We're featuring all e.l.f. products for today's look. I love it. I look like a walking filter. It is absolutely stunning. And would you believe this look was only $60? Stay tuned if you want to see more. Happy Thursday OTG and welcome back to another video by me, Letitia Marie. If you are new here, OTG just stands for on time gang, and that's because we are always on time for whatever it is that God has planned for us. Now if you've clicked on this title, it's because you want to see a full affordable glam look today, all from e.l.f. Now yesterday I did upload a video with all the savings that I got when I bought their stuff online, so if you're interested in that, I will leave that link down below. I am super excited to do today's look for you guys because literally the whole look I believe will be about $65, and this includes the lashes that I'm going to use and all the little accessories and whatnot. So I'm super excited for this affordable look. Let's be realistic, it is the holidays, it is expensive out here, people don't got money for a lot of things right now. So you know, if your birthday's coming up, you want to get ready for a Christmas party at work or whatever the case might be, this might be a perfect look for you if you cannot afford that $200 makeup artist. So let's go ahead and start prepping and priming our face. So to start off, I have the e.l.f. moisturizer that they came out with, and I'm really excited to try this out with my full makeup routine because yesterday when I first opened it, this scent smelled so good and I loved how it felt on my face. It honestly reminded me of the Milk moisturizer that they have, so it's really nice on the skin and it makes it feel super soft. Next, we're gonna go ahead with our e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Now, if you are familiar with me, you know that this is one of my go-to primers. I love using this, and I also got a free one in my last haul that I did. Also, too, in saying that, if you are new here, typically when I'm done doing my makeup, I do head outside to show you guys what it looks like in natural lighting. Obviously, because I am home, so it's a little bit different. And I just want to make sure you guys can see what it looks like when I am outside. I do that because sometimes we look at our makeup when it's done on a camera and things like that, and it looks like two different things. So I always make sure to go out in natural lighting so that you guys can see my full makeup routine. Next, we're gonna use our Soft Glam e.l.f. foundation in the color 50. I'm gonna go ahead with a brush to blend it out. I did mention yesterday during my haul that this is very light coverage. I think it's really nice and soft on the skin as well. So if you're a person that doesn't really want heavy foundation, I think this is a perfect option for you. It was very affordable. It was only $6 as well. And it gives the right amount of coverage that is needed. And look how easy it's blending out on the skin. Next, we're gonna go ahead with our e.l.f. concealer, and it is in a cooler tone in their 16-hour wear. You don't need a lot. A little bit honestly goes a long way. I'm gonna go ahead with my triangle now to blend it out. And this does dry fairly quickly, I would say, so you gotta blend this out a little quicker. I think I should use my brush for something like this. Once that's all blended out, I'm gonna go ahead with my e.l.f. setting spray just to set down all of my liquid stuff that I used. So my concealer, my foundation. I don't have any liquid blush right now or a liquid bronzer, so I'm just gonna go ahead and melt down what I already put on. Once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead with my Halo Glow e.l.f. setting powder, and I'm gonna put that in my light areas here. Now yesterday I did mention I did get this in a fairly light color, and that's because the color I initially wanted was actually sold out. So during today's tutorial I want to see if I can make this work at all, which I feel like I can, especially when I put on my bronzer and stuff after. I feel like it could work very well. And I think these products that I'm using are perfect for anybody. It doesn't matter if you are a seasoned makeup artist. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, a teen learning how to do makeup and stuff like that. Again, many people anyways, including makeup artists like mine, for example, she does keep e.l.f. in her makeup kit and things like that. So don't sleep on e.l.f. It doesn't matter if it's drugstore makeup or if you guys think it's quote unquote cheap makeup or you don't think it's good quality because it's a lower price and stuff like that. No, I feel like that's a stigma that doesn't make any sense because the quality is actually very good. Again, I have some lip glosses that cost me even $50, and I have like $1 lip glosses that work just as good as all that stuff. So in general, e.l.f. products, honestly believe the hype. The quality of their makeup is amazing. Once that is done, I'm gonna go ahead with my e.l.f. primer bronzer, and we're gonna warm up our cheeks and around our face. You can either suck it in or you can smile. I've seen people say do both, but to each their own. Whatever makes you feel comfortable, do it that way. So there's nothing I can do to let you down. Doesn't take a trophy to make you proud. Next, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. powder foundation in the color 330, and that's gonna seal in the highlight that I did on my face. Next, I'm gonna go ahead with my e.l.f. matte blush that they have, and it's gonna be this pretty like mauve color. And the one thing I love about this blush is it makes it look like you're literally blushing all day long, like from cheek to cheek, ear to ear. Put a little bit on your nose as well. And a reminder, I do live in Canada, so like colors like this look so beautiful in the cooler months. Like you literally look like you're smiling all day long. I love this. I'm just going back in just to highlight a little bit more. And I'm gonna use my bronzer just to contour my nose. Next, I'm gonna go with my e.l.f. Truffle palette to put some brown on my eyelid. Now, I did not clean my eyeshadow brushes, so there's like green and pink on it from when me and my daughter went to go see Wicked. So we're using the dollar store ones for now. Again, it's only one color I really need anyways, so we'll just make do with this. We're just gonna have to thug this out. So we're looking good so far. The next thing I'm going to use is my e.l.f. white eyeliner for this glam look that we're going to do, and I'm really excited for this part. Do this step extremely slow, okay guys? Don't rush. If you have to layer, keep layering until you get that full white look. I know some of you guys were like, girl, what are you doing? Just trust the process. Don't worry, I have a look coming. I'm gonna go ahead with my e.l.f. mascara right now, just so we can go over our lashes because there's probably some white on there. Now I'm gonna do my brows off camera because I'm using a different product, and this is all about e.l.f. The reason why I'm not using a brow pencil from e.l.f. was because it got canceled in my order because they were actually sold out. So I'm gonna finish doing my mascara. I'm gonna stick on my I'm gonna draw in my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. 1 second. Next, when I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead with my gems. I got these from AliExpress, and these are some lash glue. I got these all from AliExpress. Well, no, this I got from the hair store, sorry. This I got from AliExpress, and I'm gonna add gems to the white eyeliner that I did, and it's gonna be super pretty. And I'm actually gonna stick on my eyelashes in the same step. I will be right back. Okay, so our lashes and everything are on, and I feel like it's bringing this look in together beautifully. We got our little diamonds on as well. Now I have my e.l.f. brown pen, so I'm just gonna line my lips and go ahead and with the lip oil that I got from e.l.f. as well. Okay, this lip liner is a little bit too light for the look that I'm going for. I'm gonna go ahead with a darker color. Now this is a plumping gloss that I got from e.l.f. yesterday, and I wasn't sure how I felt about it, but let's try it now that everything is lined up. Now this is a plumping gloss that I got from e.l.f. last time. Let's see how I like it with it being lined. Yeah, much nicer. And to make it extra glossy, I'm gonna go ahead with my e.l.f. lip oil. Give it that extra buttery, beautiful look. Okay, this is a step where with just any powder, just add an extra blush onto my nose. Once that's all done, you're gonna go ahead and set your face. I was about to say, the only thing that's missing is a little bit of highlight, so I'm gonna use the gold from my eyeshadow palette and see if I can add a little bit in the corners of my eye, just to give it a cute like little glow in the right areas. And now our final step is going to be our e.l.f. coconut setting spray. I love the smell of this. This is actually the same spray that my makeup artist used, and honestly keeps my makeup lasting beautiful and all day long. So honestly guys, even for a regular makeup routine, this is perfect. I would buy it. This is what I already own as well. And you know the drill already if you are used to me. I'm gonna go outside now. I'm gonna fix my hair properly, and I'm gonna actually have to get ready because Iris has her Christmas concert today, and we're gonna go outside and get a full look of everything in natural sunlight. So we'll be right back. When you see me, I'll be outside next. Okay beauties, this is our final beauty look for today, and honestly I tried to go outside to film this for you guys, but the way the wind is just blowing everything all over the place, you would not be able to hear me, and child was blowing my camera everywhere, and my head was all over the place. So we're inside recording for you to show you the final beauty look. I did actually already have to go to Iris's Christmas concert and just came back, and that's because I didn't want to be late to see my baby up on that stage. And she's like, Mom, you look like a snowflake. And honey, I love that for us, because I think this is perfect for Christmas, New Year's party. If you're a Capricorn like I am, Sagittarius season is here. Honestly, Aquarius and Pisces, because in February it'd be freezing too. In Canada, February is one of the coldest months out of the whole year. So yeah, I feel like if you're looking for a nice affordable glam look for your birthday, Christmas, New Year's, family get together, anything like that, this is perfect for a look like that. And again, I did get compliments on this looks already, so that just solidifies to me that it looks great. And you know, kids don't be lying. If my daughter's friend says your mom looks so pretty, then child best believe her mama looks pretty. So if you did like a look like this, go ahead and leave a like so that I know, and it helps the algorithm. It is free. It lets other people see videos like this too. If you want to see some more, go ahead and subscribe and turn your notifications, because I shopped Fashion Nova's Black Friday beauty sale, and guys, they had makeup for $1. And I'm not talking just Nova Beauty, I'm talking about Maven and Sigma as well. Like big time brands apart from Fashion Nova has stuff for $1 on the website. So I grabbed all of that for you guys. I'm so excited to do a full look for you guys that is A, affordable, and B, there is purple blush. I cannot wait to try that purple blush, just because in Canada, you know, it's cold, there's snow outside. I feel like it would look so great together. So if you want to see that, turn your notifications and go ahead and subscribe to see some more. Tomorrow I will be setting up a hot chocolate station for myself and Iris. I'm going to be going to Dollar Tree for that. So if you are interested in setting up something like that, maybe for yourself, you know, boyfriend, girlfriend, your kids, your grandparents, or something cute, festive to do for the season, go ahead and again turn your notifications, because tomorrow we're doing a vlog to set up our little hot chocolate station. Other than that, guys, again, I hope you did enjoy today's video. Do you already use e.l.f? Have you ever tried e.l.f. before? Has this video encouraged you all to give anything a go? I mentioned before, my makeup artist does use some of this in her makeup kit, and I personally already used it before I did the haul. This video was actually requested by my friend Brianne, so we're gonna give her a shout out on today's video. Shout out to Brianne for encouraging me to go and try some full e.l.f. stuff, low-key, because she wanted to buy it and she wasn't sure if she won't like it or not. So she's like, you test it out and tell me. So this is inspired by her. So we're gonna see what she ends up getting from e.l.f. But other than that, honestly, I love their products. We already use their primers in general. I have a couple of their liners, and we love their lip oils. But I think it was beautiful to see their foundation and everything else being used for a full face from a regular, ordinary person like me. Because again, this is not sponsored. This is done by me, by myself, and I am a self-taught makeup person that had people show me and teach me here and there, and I watched a little bit of YouTube. So other than that, I think this is something easy for anyone to pick up on, whether if you're a teen, stay-at-home mom, if you're just learning and trying out stuff. I think this is fun, and it's very easy to use. It's a very affordable product. This full face list should only cost me about $65. And again, the little gems that I use, guys, are from AliExpress, and you can get gems from the dollar store, so it could be even cheaper than that. So let's just say $60 for this whole look. That's crazy, because if you were to get this done by a makeup artist, it's gonna cost you probably $200. But anyways, guys, once again, thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. I will see you again for another one. Bye.